remote service, near or far. Cell care's the best, by far. It's cell care, we're the ones you trust. From cracked screens to a battery bust, we fix it all, we make it right. Bringing your phone back to life tonight. So when your tech is feeling low, come to cell care, let it show. We'll revive it, we'll repair, 'cause your phone deserves the best of